So today I have a very special guest on my channel and it's my mom! So today we are gonna show you how to bake Hojicha Chiffon cake. So as a Hojicha lover, I love this cake. My mom just baked one yesterday and I was like, oh my god, it's super good. So I thought I would share the recipe with you guys and show you guys how to bake the cake. I mean, my mom would share because I don't know how to bake, so I'm here just to help her, you know. So yeah, Ma, can you please tell us like what are the ingredients needed?
你需要個材料咧就係麵粉啦、糖啦、Hojicha嗰個 syrup 啦，
It's not syrup, right?
係嗰個 Hojicha 泡
yeah.
得侵呢個 milk 㗎啦，就造成呢個 Hojicha。
And then our Hojicha powder is
Yeah.
from Nicole. Yeah,
Yeah.
show them the packet. I actually bought this from big grocery store. This one is like 69 ringgit for one packet, guys. So this is a very premium Hojicha powder that we use to make this cake. Next,
And oil，
I can
呢個蛋咧就係蛋白同蛋黃要分開㗎啦。
So
我
let's
哋就
start.
開始啦。
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. You send me. You send me. Darling, you send me. I know.
Get that creaminess.
Send me. Darling, you
就咁就炒啦，即係
send me. I know you send me. Honest to you. Send me. Honest to you. Send me. Honest to you. Send me.
OK， 我哋而家就可以焗啦，我哋就放落去45分鐘，120度。
Darling, you
而家我哋就放入去啦。
send me.
我哋有預先控氣10分鐘啊，俾佢熱啊，頂就45分鐘。
I know you send me. I know you do. Send me. I know.
我哋需要個材料就係
Whipping cream.
同埋呢個 icing sugar。
Topping of the cake. Okay, so we are done.
Yes.
So we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight and we're gonna have it tomorrow morning. Okay, now that the cake is done, we're gonna taste it. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Good.
Very Hojicha flavor, and it is super creamy, super moist, and it's very soft as well.
The cream is smooth. 係咪講 smooth？
係啦，很何之超就
很滑，
對，
很鬆。
好好吃哦。Okay, so this is my talented mom, and she also has a cake Instagram account, which is Lillian's Homemade Cake, and she is also accepting like small orders for her cakes, and she also bake other cakes as well, like boba milk tea cake,
Yes.
Earl Grey chiffon cake, strawberry shortcake, burnt cheese cakes, and lots of other cakes lah. And yeah, so feel free to DM her if you guys want to place some orders on cakes. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. So see you guys next time. Bye!